अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह व कफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम वमा अर्सलनाका इल्ला रहमतल लिल आलमीन सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Honorable President of the Majlis, honorable teachers, honorable guests and my dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected listeners, today I am going to present some topic about the message of Rabi Awwal in this brief assembly. Dear audience, the months of Rabi Awwal hold a special significance over all other months of the year due to the birth of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The message of this month is to adopt the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam life and character. The first way to embody the Sunnah is to integrate every aspect of his sallallahu alaihi wasallam noble character into our lives so that everyone can see that we are followers of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The second way is to mention the virtues and practices the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on every occasion, but not limit to just Rabi Awwal. Through observance of Rabi Awwal means remembering the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam throughout the entire year and incorporating his sallallahu alaihi wasallam life into our own, constantly reflecting on how to live according to the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Respected listeners, the message of this brief month is to follow the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah grant us the ability to align our life with the Sunnah and make us followers of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. नक्शे कदम नबी के है जन्नत के रास्ते, नक्शे कदम नबी के है जन्नत के रास्ते, अल्लाह से मिलाते हैं सुन्नत के रास्ते। I thank you all. वस्सलाम।